She's a mess. Hello guys, it is me, MissTiffanyMa, coming at you guys with a different intro. What? I don't know if I like this intro. I just kind of did it. I'm just gonna stick with it. So in today's video, we are going to be doing something I've already done twice during quarantine, and you guys are probably going to be like, Tiffany, why is it so hard to keep this room clean? And it's because I haven't made this room into a real room yet, and that is what we're doing today. So for those of you guys who are a little bit confused, in today's video, I am turning my hoarding room into an office finally. We are finally turning this room into something that is usable for me and is going to help me and my new assistant be very, very productive. So I do have a new assistant. The lighting is turning crazy. I don't know what just happened, but I have a new assistant that I haven't told you guys about. And I'm not going to introduce her in this video, but go stay tuned if you guys want to see who she is. Currently, we've been working in the dining room, and I think it's annoying for Matthew because Matthew likes to make food and he likes to hang out in the living room whenever he's taking a little work break, and I just feel bad that I'm like taking up space. I want a space for both Callie and I to just hang out in the office, just getting our work done so that I'm away from Matthew. He's not bothering me, I'm not bothering him, and we got a lot of cleaning to do. So I don't think this is going to be a one-part series. It might be a 2, possibly a 3 if I do any DIYs, but I'm so excited for me to turn this beautiful room that is currently a hoarding room into a beautiful, beautiful office for myself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with my office. All right guys, we are currently in my hoarding room right now. It is kind of later in the day, I'm not gonna lie. It's around 4 p.m. right now, so I probably only have maybe 4 hours of daylight before it gets dark in here. Honestly, maybe only like 2.5 hours to be quite honest. I figured I would show you guys what my hoarding room looks like right now. Please don't hate me because you guys have watched me do this twice already. I have a problem, and I know it's because this room has not turned into a real room. I have lived here for over a year. I need to make it into a real room. And now that I have my assistant, I know for sure this room will turn into a home office. Okay, so this is the current state of the room. Yes, it looks absolutely insane. And yes, I know I'm an adult and it shouldn't look like this at all, but it just does, okay? It just does. I don't know what to do with it because I keep getting packages on packages on packages. I have shown you guys in a video that I get about 20 to 30 packages every single week, and they end up in here, and I don't know what to do with all of it. The only room that's kind of clean in here is the closet, and this is kind of where I have all the stuff for MissTiffanyMa.com, which is where I sell my secondhand used clothing / vintage clothing. We're gonna start by just taking everything out. Just out, like taking everything out of its bins, just taking everything out. So we're gonna dump everything. She's a mess. All right, before we start cleaning, I want you guys to envision what is gonna go in here because I figured that's a really good way to start so you guys can see what's gonna happen in here. So along this back wall, I believe is where we're gonna put the table for our home office. And then we're gonna put the pink couch that is currently in my sunroom in here. We're also gonna move this guy to like a different corner of the room, but we're also gonna remove the carpet in here. It's just very pink, not really my aesthetic. We might get a new rug. I literally own so many rugs and I don't like any of them in my house. All right, I'm gonna take all these clothes down because these clothes actually belong in my room, and I hung them in here because they were wet and I didn't want to dry them in the kitchen. So I left them in here to dry in here, and it's time to take them out. I'm also gonna take this guy apart. Okay, so I know the biggest mess in my room is I just have a lot of makeup. So I think I'm gonna make 2 or 3 giant bins, and they're gonna be makeup I want to slightly keep, makeup that I don't want to keep / give away / donate, and then makeup that I just want to throw away. And I'm not going to do any of the makeup that's already organized in these bins because we've already organized that stuff. Like, why do I have a bin of makeup here, a bin of makeup here, 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 here? Literally
so many bins.
Okay, we're just gonna pour everything on the floor again. You guys have seen me do this before. It's absolutely insane, completely bonkers, but that's what we're doing.
So I have like a mini pile happening right now, which is amazing, but it just makes it look a lot messier than it is. It's gonna look messier in this room before it looks cleaner. That's just the process I like to do. All of this stuff can actually leave this room. This is all trash pretty much.
That doesn't look any cleaner. So we're gonna put a bunch of this stuff on hangers because they're just taking up space on the floor, and I do have space in my closet. These are all the things I want to put on my online store at some point, but I just haven't done it just yet. But some of these items are also like donate items. Like these are cute jeans. Chicken wing, hot dogs and bologna. Is that really a shirt? Oh god, I've had you forever. No. Why am I keeping everything? This is kind of cute. Wait, you're kind of cute. Why do I have all these clothes in here that I want? Are these clothes I was supposed to keep? I'm so confused. I'm working with Hobbianas for TikTok, and they sent me so many sandals, so cute. These are like the only sandals I'll ever wear. So I'm getting to that point where I'm feeling very overwhelmed, and I almost want to quit, but I know I can't quit, and I feel like I don't have enough time in the day to keep doing this, but I have to keep going. That is where I'm at right now, and I feel like I've gotten nothing freaking done. I just have like so many little random ass piles that I don't know what to do with. I guess this is kind of how the story goes every time I do this project. This is what I get for not cleaning up this room as I go and just like throwing everything in here. So I have this large bucket filled with stuff of donate, give to friends, and this is going to be my little keep bucket. It's not going to go more than halfway full because I don't have a lot of space to keep all this stuff, and I really don't need this much stuff. Alright guys, little update here. So I have officially cleaned, I forgot how to use words, I officially cleaned the entire middle spot. So I'm keeping way more than I originally planned to. I will say a lot of it are like really massive things that are like body creams and stuff, and it's not just for myself. I'm keeping a lot of things for Matthew as well. So I do have way more stuff than I originally planned on keeping. So I think I'm gonna go through these a second time later on. But look at all the stuff I'm gonna donate / give away to my friends / whoever wants some, get some. And then I think there's other boxes in here as well that I need to look through. Oh my god, the cobwebs, disgusting. Does anyone else have a spider problem inside their house? I have so many spiders in this house. I don't know what to do with them. Matthew hates it when I kill the spiders because spiders are good at getting rid of other animals that are in your house, like flies, mosquitoes, ants. I don't have ants in this house, but he's like, don't kill them because then we're gonna have worse pests in the house. But I hate the spiders on top of it because they leave so many cobwebs. Let me know what you guys do if you guys have spiders. Do you guys kill them or do you guys let them live? I really freaking want to kill them, but I haven't done it yet. Alright, I've decided to grab my trusty little handheld vacuum. Thank you to Tarte for gifting this to me. This has been the coolest gift I've ever received from a brand because I use it all the freaking time. I'm at that age where I love cleaning supplies. Like, if someone got me a Dyson for Christmas, guys, a Dyson vacuum, hell yeah. If it's my boyfriend though, I'd be mad because that makes me think he wants me to clean, but it was like a best friend or like, I don't know, my mom, like my sister, like literally down to get a Dyson vacuum. Honestly, might buy myself one for Christmas for myself. So loud, but I'm just gonna vacuum this little area. Alright,
Alright, so I was gonna sort out all of these items and then put them in the respective bins, but I realized I'm actually going to be sorting these out again if I did that, because I am gonna put these like IKEA dressers up right here so I can actually sort everything better. I just realized that's what my original plan was gonna be. So I think now I'm gonna have the desk here and then the couch is gonna be here. That means I don't need to sort these out, so I'm just gonna pull these into the closet. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, man. We're gonna stick her in the little corner over here, and then at one point when everything is ready, we are gonna sort her out. It's looking so much better in here already, but we still have so much to do. Okay, so I pretty much finished this little corner. I just need to finish this corner next. This is a lot of stuff I don't need but kind of have because I thought I would need them at some point, but I haven't really needed them. You know that type of stuff where you think you need it but you don't? This is kind of what I have in this little corner. I've had this little light situation for so long and I haven't used it in years. So I've kind of kept it because I'm supposed to be like a YouTuber and I'm supposed to have good lighting, but like I don't know how to work these babies. They look so bad every single time I use them. So I think it's time for me to just throw them out. This is my trusty, what do you call these guys? Holy cow. Wow, I totally don't know what this thing is called. You know when your clothes are wrinkly? Oh, this is my steamer, duh. I'm gonna put this guy in my closet. Okay, so these are all wallpapers I purchased for my house, thinking at one point I would love them and put them in the laundry room. I don't love any of these, which is such a waste. This one I bought off of Amazon. I believe I bought both of them off of Amazon. I thought this would be really cute in Matthew's bathroom, and then I decided I actually want to make his bathroom really like dark looking, like black and white. So I decided not to do the fun looking blue. And then this one I thought I would put in the laundry room. But I'm thinking that's not really the vibe I'm going for anymore. This was definitely the vibe I was hoping for last year. Anyone's interested, let me know. Zoe, what are you doing? What did you just do? Zoe, stop eating random shit on the ground. The joys of having a child who eats everything on the ground. I don't even know what she's eating. All right, guys, my camera died. So that's why I awkwardly got cut off, but she's eating cornstarch. She's actually been sick the last few days. Last night she threw up 3 times and it made me so freaking sad. So I called the vet. They didn't have any urgent cares available. So I boiled chicken and rice for her. We're not really sure what's wrong with her, but she really likes this meal. Matt and I are actually gonna go to Shake Shack tonight for dinner. I'm so freaking excited. I'm just gonna have a shroom burger. That is like a vegetarian option they have there. As you guys know, I don't eat meat. I think next month though, I might start incorporating more meat into my diet because next month is freaking Thanksgiving month and I just don't want to miss out on Thanksgiving. Like, it is one of my favorite holidays. I want to eat turkey. So as you guys know, I've been like vegetarian for 8 months now and then pescatarian for the last month and a half. I mean, I'm really just doing it mainly for my skin and health. Like, I really wanted my skin to have that like vegan glow. And I have noticed a difference in my skin. It does look a lot better, but I just want to see if I can still eat meat and still look as like glowy from within. All I'm trying to say is that next month your girl is not gonna be vegetarian anymore. Just because I'm not vegetarian does not mean I'm gonna have meat 7 days of the week, because I still really love my vegetarian meals. All right, Zoe, sit. Sit. Lay down. No, you're so bad at lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Leave it. Ah, good girl. So Matt said we can head to Shake Shack in a few minutes, so I think I'm gonna stop cleaning for now. I am gonna clean more later tonight, but for now, I'm pretty much wiped out. It's also getting really dark in there. But I wanted to show you, oh my God, this lighting is so disgusting. Okay, look at this. Look, I have so much space to walk in here now. Also, look at my closet. I'm organizing everything in my closet. Here's kind of the pile of stuff that I am getting rid of / throwing away. Guys, it is day 2 of cleaning the hoarding room. I asked you guys on Instagram last night how I should name this series. Some of you guys gave me really good names, but I'm still having trouble. I think the one I like so far is Hoarder to Order. I think that was like really funny and cute, but I wanted to show you guys what we did last night. Matt and I ended up eating Shake Shack, and I ended up not doing a lot more, but I did clean the little hallway, so all the trash is now gone. This room sounds so echoey now. I'm not kidding. This is like the emptiest it's been. I could be lying, but it's pretty freaking empty right now. This is crazy. So I got a lot done last night. Today, I think Andrew, who's Matt's brother, is gonna come over and we're just gonna put some of the IKEA furniture in here. Okay, so you guys saw in my last hoarding room video, I've kept a lot of these like PR boxes thinking that they're so cute and I'm gonna decorate my new room with them and decorate the office with them. I feel like I'm not going to, so I'm gonna get rid of some of them. Like, I don't need these boxes. We're gonna throw these guys out, even though these boxes are really nice and I'm sure they spent so much money on these boxes. Like, that's a cool box. This is like a Lion King box. Alright, I got rid of a bunch of boxes. All these boxes I know for sure I'm not gonna use, so they're going in the trash. I also don't have any use for this guy. This guy is gonna go somewhere else. Okay, almost everything is out of this room. Can you guys hear how echoey it is in here now? It's actually crazy. So I'm just gonna roll up this rug / carpet because I don't like it. Oh my god. Holy cow, this thing is so heavy. Way heavier than I remember. I have not seen this room this empty since the day I moved in. Okay, so I just finished mopping the entire guest room / my new office, and it is currently 3:10 p.m. I'm gonna let that dry because I think it's gonna take like 15 to 20 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make myself some avocado toast because that is what I'm craving right now. That sounds so good. But I just wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. It looks so good in here. It is so echoey. I'm gonna go ahead later on and clean the windowsills as well because there's a lot of cobwebs on the windowsills. I was gonna take these guys out, but I'm gonna leave them in just for now because they're really heavy and the floor is kind of wet. Also, if you guys want to see where all that stuff went that was in my hoarding room, it is currently in the living room right now, but this is all stuff that actually will be organized once my IKEA furniture is in there, and I'm so excited for us to set up the IKEA furniture. So that's actually what we're gonna do next in the next video for this series. So Matthew's brother is gonna come over in about half an hour to an hour. So I'm gonna end today's video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Tips Tuesday. If you guys want to see part 2 of the Hoarder to Order episodes, I'm not sure if I love that name just yet, then make sure you guys subscribe and stay for part 2. I am so excited for part 2. It's gonna look so amazing. If you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below where you are right now. Are you in your living room? Are you in your bedroom? Are you in the bathroom watching me on the toilet? So yeah, comment down below which room you are in right now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.